Ever wondered if your spare change could actually become a serious investment? Many micro-investing apps promise just that, but when it comes to platforms like Raiz, a critical question often pops up: is Raiz considered a managed fund? It's a question that gets at the heart of how your money is handled, the level of professional oversight, and ultimately, what you can expect as an investor. Let's cut through the jargon and get straight to it. Yes, Raiz is indeed a registered managed investment scheme. This isn't just a fancy label, it means something very specific about how your funds are pooled and managed. When you put money into Raiz, you're not directly buying individual stocks or ETFs yourself. Instead, your money, along with that of other Raiz users, is pooled together into a collective investment vehicle, a managed fund. So, what does this actually mean for you? Think of it like this: instead of you individually picking and choosing every single share or bond, Raiz offers preset portfolios. These portfolios are carefully constructed by a team of financial experts, often inspired by established investment theories. They contain a mix of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which themselves are baskets of various investments like stocks, bonds, or commodities. Raiz then invests the pooled money into these chosen ETFs on your behalf. This managed aspect comes into play in a few key ways. Firstly, the initial selection of these portfolios is done by professionals. You choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, be it conservative, moderately aggressive, or even their ethical emerald portfolio. Secondly, Raiz automatically rebalances your portfolio. Market fluctuations mean that over time, the proportions of your chosen ETFs might drift from their original targets. Raiz steps in to adjust these allocations, selling some overrepresented assets and buying more of those that are underrepresented, all to keep your portfolio aligned with your chosen strategy. This automatic rebalancing is a hallmark of managed funds, taking the constant monitoring and adjustment off your plate. Another crucial point is the legal structure. Your investments with Raiz are held by an independent custodian, not by Raiz directly. This adds a layer of security, meaning that even if Raiz were to face financial difficulties, your underlying investments are safeguarded and would be returned to you. Now, let's briefly touch on fees. While Raiz boasts commission-free investing and no withdrawal fees, it does have a monthly management fee, or a percentage-based fee for larger balances. These fees are how Raiz covers the costs of managing the fund, including the expertise involved in portfolio selection and rebalancing, as well as the operational aspects of the platform. This fee structure is typical of managed funds, where you're paying for the professional oversight and convenience. In essence, Raiz acts as a digital fund manager, simplifying the investment process for you. You don't need to be an investing guru to start building wealth. By categorizing itself as a managed fund, Raiz provides a structured and professionally overseen approach to investing, even with small amounts. It's about set-and-forget investing, where the heavy lifting of portfolio construction and maintenance is handled for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.